Alright, so we just had a massive hit. The wolves are howling. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. Still got 10 spins left. We're looking for some re-triggers. If you get 2 of the bonus symbols, you get 3 more spins. So we got some potential out here. Up to 137 on that $80 spin. Let's go. That's not bad. $8 hit. What's going on, doctor? I ain't gonna get you on camera, I promise. Man, come on now. $9.55. It's a nice bonus. Nice bonus. It must have been waiting on me. Especially since we lucked into it. Because we really moved it to slow and then went to a random.